Hey, everyone! Are you tired of feeling nervous and tongue-tied when you try to speak English? Well, I have good news for you. In this video, I'm going to share some tips to help you improve your English speaking skills in just 7 days. That's right, in just 1 week, you'll be on your way to speaking fluent English. Day 1, set a goal and create a plan. The first step to improving your English speaking skills is to set a goal and create a plan. Determine what you want to achieve and how you're going to get there. Make a schedule and stick to it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Day 2, listen and repeat. On day 2, focus on listening and repeating. Find a native English speaker and listen to them speak. Then, try to repeat what they said. This will help you with pronunciation and intonation. Day 3, learn new vocabulary. Day 3 is all about learning new vocabulary. Start by focusing on the most common English words and phrases. Use flashcards, online quizzes, or apps to help you memorize them. Don't forget to practice using the new words and sentences. Day 4, watch English TV shows and movies. Watching English TV shows and movies is a fun and effective way to improve your speaking skills. Pay attention to how the characters speak and try to mimic their accents and intonation. You'll also learn new words and phrases. Day 5, speak with a native speaker. On day 5, find a native English speaker to practice with. You can do this online or in person. Practice your pronunciation, grammar, and sentence structure. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they are part of the learning process. Day 6, use English in daily life. To truly master English, you need to use it in your daily life. Speak English with your friends, coworkers, and family members. Use English to order food, ask for directions, or make small talk with strangers. Day 7, review and reflect. Finally, on day 7, review your progress and reflect on what you've learned. Take note of your strengths and weaknesses, and make a plan for continued improvement. Remember, learning a language is a lifelong journey. Conclusion. So there you have it, 7 days to speaking fluent English. It won't be easy, but with dedication and practice, you can achieve your goal. Start today and don't give up. Good luck!